All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of this fantastic 2.5 bed, super close to Oak Square here in Brighton. All right, so it's the entrance right there. Opens up to this really nice living room with the bay windows. Those are the bedrooms right here. Okay, some more bay windows. Okay, closet. So this is the half bed. So you can use it as an office. There we go. Okay. More closet space right here. All right. Bathroom. And back out to the hallway. The other room is right here. Closet, all right. 2 windows. Okay. And the kitchen, good sized kitchen. There's a dishwasher right there. Gas stove. Fridge, good sized fridge. Cabinets up top and below. Sink. There's a small porch deck area. Okay. And that would conclude our video walkthrough. Hope you enjoyed it. Oh, before you go, hold on a second. We got a little pantry area right here off to the side of the kitchen. So you can fit a lot of stuff here. Storage, pantry space. Yeah. All right. Well, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.